Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Once again, today I am going to discuss trigonometric ratio with the help of unit circle. For this, let us consider we have a circle in which length from O to A is equal to x, A to P is equal to y, and O to P is equal to 1. So length of mean that hypotenuse is equal to 1. Radius of the given circle is 1. Length from O to A equal to x, and then length from A to P is equal to y. Now there are total 6 trigonometric ratio. For this, first we define sin theta. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So this implies that perpendicular is equal to y divided by hypotenuse is equal to 1. So this implies that 1 means that sin theta is equal to y. Now cos theta is equal to base divided by hypotenuse. So this implies that base equal to x, hypotenuse equal to 1. So this implies that x divided by 1, which is equal to x. This implies that cos theta is equal to x. Now tangent theta is equal to perpendicular divided by base. So perpendicular is equal to y divided by base equal to x. So this implies that y divided by x equal to y by x. So tangent theta is equal to y divided by x. Now the remaining 3 trigonometric ratio is the inverse of sin theta, cos theta, and then tangent theta. So cosecant theta is the inverse of sin theta, which is equal to 1 divided by sin theta is equal to y. So this implies that cosecant theta is equal to 1 divided by y, and then secant theta is equal to so secant theta is the inverse of secant theta is the inverse of cos theta. So secant theta is equal to 1 divided by cos theta. So this implies that 1 divided by cos theta is equal to x. So this implies that secant theta is equal to 1 divided by x. Now cotangent theta is the inverse of tangent theta, which is equal to 1 divided by, so tangent theta is equal to y divided by x. So this implies that we can also write this in the form of x divided by y. So this implies that cotangent theta is equal to x divided by y. So trigonometric ratio with the help of unit circle, sin theta equal to y, cos theta equal to x, tangent theta is equal to y divided by x, cosecant theta is equal to 1 over y, secant theta equal to 1 over x, cotangent theta equal to x divided by y. Thank you.